So whenever I start a painting, I start with two colors, French ultramarine and burnt umber. My name is Adam Leech, and I am the current resident artist at the S.M.A.K Museum of Contemporary Art in Ghent, Belgium. And for my residency, I'm going to make a series of videos. And the videos are going to be about two things. The first thing is what I call the condition of the viewer. That's your eye, that's your nose. The condition of the viewer looking at a work of art. And the investigation is going to go into philosophy and psychology, and I'm also going to talk to the people who work at the museum and ask them about what they think about the viewer, about you, about how you experience works of art. And it's also going to be about the nature of institutions, how museums curate the art experience. So that's the first thing I'm going to look into. And the second thing I'm going to look into is how I make my paintings. That's my mouth. This is my hand. And this is my brush. And so when I talk about how I make my work, it's kind of two things. It's mental, this is my brain, and it's physical, the actual process of making things. So, in conclusion, the first thing I'm going to talk about is you, the condition of the viewer experiencing the work of art. And the second thing I'm going to talk about is how I make artworks which are kind of connected to this first one. So that's the general idea. And if you watch these videos, what you're going to gain is a lot of knowledge about where I'm coming from, and also new possibilities for how you can look at works of art. And so when you finally come to my exhibition at the museum, you'll have all of this knowledge and experience from the videos that you can apply to the artworks that you see there.